welcome back. I switched the camera into HD. A couple more lights, we'll take a left, we'll scope out the local dispensary, check it out. I'm not going inside, it's too hot. I don't got no money. Alright, so many times today I've tried to take off from a stoplight and I've been in second gear. It's like the third or fourth time I've done it, but hey, what are you gonna do? Oh yeah, if you don't know, I got a sack of dirt in my milk crate. I think that's killing my suspension because these bumps are feeling not great. Oh, it's so bad. But I only got like 20 pounds, if that, in dirt, so it shouldn't be too crazy. I mean, at a certain point, if I was picking up something super heavy, I'd be worried if the zip ties can handle it, but it definitely won't be a problem. I'm not going to lose my milk crate with the dirt for gardening. And oh yeah, let's talk about that. Indoor gardening, one of my favorite hobbies. Let's try to make this. We are going to make this. There we go. I'm getting kind of tired of stopping, man. Every single red light wants me to stop for it. Whee! Dispensaries, flowers. So I'm setting up a new flower bed. This is why I picked up dirt today. I'm setting up a winter flower bed. I'm going to grow pansies and groovy flowers. And I'm going to show you guys. So at 500 subscribers, which means if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Help me get to that goal so I can bring you guys the content you deserve, because at 500 subscribers, we will be putting a lot of videos out that are how to flower, how to garden, like how to make edible flowers that make you feel fantastic. One of the first videos I want to do that are flower centric is going to be how to make chocolate that makes you feel fantastic. Homemade chocolate from your garden, indoor garden. Can I use the word hemp? Can I use that word? Yes, I want to say yes. I mean, why wouldn't I be able to use the word hemp? So, hemp. I'm a hemp cultivator, and I want to cultivate hemp on YouTube within a membership, since advertisers aren't going to touch that, at least not in 2024. But the cool thing is, I will absolutely continue to make motovlogs because that's another passion of mine. So motorcycles and hemp are my top two hobbies. So I'm going to make really Hell Kittens is a combination of motorcycles because it has a motorcycle club theme. That's what I aim for with the logos and stuff like that. But there's also a slight oh no, you can't say that word. I think that's a bannable word. Hemp. Something, whatever I was talking about. So yeah, that's the reason for the separation between membership and what I'm going to continue to post as free content that is advertiser friendly. I'm supposed to take a left here. Oh yeah, so this is the neighborhood. That's alright. Where's the button to skip? There's a button to skip route, right? I'm not entirely sure where I am. Oh wait, I am sure where I am. Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, I don't even need a GPS to get home at this point. Wonderful. Very cool. Very cool. I'm actually glad I came out here and went home this way. It's now I know at least the most direct route to the local dispo. Don't get me wrong, I don't have money to go shopping at the dispo. That's why I grow my own. I guess that's it. I don't know what else to say about the dispo. It's not like we even went there. It's just going to be a random vlog. Alright. Later. Subscribe, like, and watch my other videos so we can get 500 subscribers to post gardening content with all this dirt that I just picked up today. Winter gardening bed, pansies, hemp. Those are the two main flowers that I want to grow in the winter, so that's what we're going to set up soon. I'll be making a video about setting that up, because I'm not going to wait for 500 subscribers to start teasing the cool type of content that I have to offer. So catch you later.